Today we're going to do some more bird watching with Noah, my baby. He's doing one of his bird calls, and so let the action begin. There was a lot of birds out this morning. I should have got my camera out. Shit. We got a blue jay, yeah. See that bluebird? That was a blue jay. And now he's up in that tree. Cool. Getting some live action. Cool beans, dude. And there it is again. We got a blue jay. There's a huge fat morning dove out this morning. And a male and female cardinal. Pretty awesome, huh? No, it's talking to the birds. You see that pile right there? Sunflower seeds. Right there, where that blue jay was, that's the pile of sunflower seeds. This guy, like basic as last time. Chickadees, house sparrows. But you know what? I put a new bait out there. It's got bird seed and breadcrumbs. Just wait for some more live action. Right, Noah? Cool. There is a train out there. You know what we need to do, Noah? We need to open that window, yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna set him aside for one moment. We're gonna open the window so you can hear the birds. Remember, be very quiet. Just a smidgen. Crap. Set this aside for a moment. Crap, we got a lot of birds right there. I don't want to scare them away. What am I gonna do? I think I am gonna open this window. I need to set this aside for one moment. Because it's being a boob. Sorry about that noise. Got it. Hear that noise? That's some bird action. That's some live bird action, huh, Noah? Oh, look, here's a birdie. Right there. That flew away. Stay tuned, there will be another part to this. So keep on bird watching.